Solid shapes. In this module, you will learn about solid shapes like cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, pyramid, prism, and polygon. We see so many objects with different shapes in our day-to-day life. For example, ice cream cone has triangle shape, football has circle shape, and matchbox has square shape, and so on. All these shapes spread in two directions only, and thus called two-dimensional or 2D shapes. All these solid objects are also called three-dimensional or 3D shapes because all occupy space and have three dimensions: width, depth, and height. Let us learn about three-dimensional shapes, that is, solid shapes like cone, cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, prism, and pyramid. Cuboids are very common in our world. From matchboxes to buildings, we see them everywhere. You can even fit them inside other cuboids. For example, cuboids in a cuboid room. A cuboid is a box-shaped object. It has 6 flat sides and all angles are right angles. And all of its faces are rectangles. It has 6 faces. The sides of the faces are the edges. It has 12 edges. The corner of the edges are the vertices. It has 8 vertices. It is also a prism because it has the same cross-section along a length. In fact, it is a rectangular prism. Cube is one of the box-shaped solid object. Cube is like a cuboid whose faces are squares of the same size and whose length, width, and height are equal. A dice is an example of a cube. A cube is a three-dimensional figure which has 6 faces. Each face has 4 edges and is a square. It has 12 edges. It has 8 vertices, corner points, and at each vertex, 3 edges meet. It is one of the platonic solids. Objects like wooden log, piece of pipe, a candle, tube lights are in shape of a cylinder. A cylinder is a closed solid that has 2 parallel, usually circular bases connected by a curved surface. The surface on which a cylinder object rolls is called its curved surface, and the surface on which it does not roll but stands vertically is the base, which is circular in shape. The base is the same as the top and also in between. An object shaped like a cylinder is said to be cylindrical. We all like eating ice cream, aren't we? Have you noticed the shape of an ice cream cone? Yes, it is in cone shape. Now, we will learn about cone shape. Cone has a flat base and one curved side. The pointy end of a cone is called the vertex or apex. The flat part is the base. An object shaped like a cone is said to be conical. Sphere is perfectly symmetrical. It has no edges or vertices, corners. All points on the surface are the same distance from the center. Hence, it can roll freely on any sides. Can you now tell me some objects in sphere shape? Do you think ball is in sphere shape? Yes, ball is in sphere shape as it rolls freely on all the sides. Similarly, lemon is in sphere shape. Have you noticed the horizontally cut lemon? Such shape is called semi-sphere. Let us learn about pyramid now. A pyramid is a solid shape with a base and a point vertex. The other faces are triangles. All the triangular faces meet at vertex of the prism. Triangular pyramid has 4 faces, 4 vertices, and 6 edges. Here is square pyramid. Its base is square. It has 5 faces. The 4 side faces are triangles. It has 5 vertices. It has 8 edges. Here is the diagram of prism. Two of its faces are in the shape of triangle. Other faces are either in the shape of rectangle or parallelogram. It is triangular prism. If the prism has rectangular base, it is a rectangular prism. A polygon is a plane shape with straight sides. For examples, triangles, rectangles, and pentagons. Polygons are two-dimensional shapes. They are made of straight lines and the shape is closed. All the lines connect up. The side which is curved and open is not a polygon. For example, a circle is not a polygon because it has a curved side. Let us learn about regular polygon. If all angles are equal and all sides are equal, then it is regular polygon. For example, equilateral triangle and square are regular polygon. Let us see the various types of polygon and its side. Let us revise all that we learned in this module on solid shapes.